I feel like I'm depriving you of me, and I'm amazing and you deserve me. So I want to give you me. This is not my preferred quality, but here I am. Good beautiful day. Oika here, and today I'll be doing a look for a Christmas dinner. I miss filming, I really do. Life, man. But I'm here now. I have on this poppin' dress. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put in some pics so you can see how I look. Let's start off with, it's the Christmas season. For Christmas, I go to a lot of events, a lot of celebratory Christmas events. Christmas is my, by the way, I'm priming my lids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Or maybe I should just use a concealer, because I'm running out of this. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, so maybe I do have some left. This is literally one of my favorite, this is, no, not even one of, this is the favorite time of the year. Like, legit, son. Love, 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 love this time of the year, honey. I love it. Just so happy and joyous. I wanted to do Vlogmas, but girl, next year I'll do Vlogmas. So I'm priming with Stop Won't Stop Rockefeller Records. We get down, baby. We get down. Girls that love ya. And Stop Won't Stop NYX Cosmetics primer. By the way, I tried everything all over again. The foundation and I tried everything. And I filmed it. I'm gonna put it up. I am. I'm almost finished with editing the video. It's just life happened. But there's really, honestly, there's no excuse. There's no excuse not to film. No, matter of fact, I've been filming this whole time that I haven't been posting. I've been filming, so I have content. I have videos to go up. I just have to edit them. But I haven't been doing as much like the edit. I've been vlogging. Oh my gosh. The last 2 months I've vlogged. I haven't done like sit down record videos like what I'm doing right now, but I have vlogged, honey. Vlog like different things. I just need to edit them as usual. This is supposed to be a quick fast doop. So this eyeshadow palette, the NARS Wanted palette, I have been reaching for this for any and everything. So this is how I quickly do my face. I go into this color. I don't know if I've showed you this before, but I go into this color right over here. Let me show you how I quickly do a doop. Oh, let me do my brows. Wait a minute. Hold on. It doesn't look too dark. Okay. I plan on getting a new camera soon because, as you know from my other videos, my main camera is not working. And I was gonna get it fixed, but paying some hundreds, I've been talking to some photographers for like advice. It just makes sense to me to get a new camera than to pay hundreds of dollars to get my camera fixed, because the camera that I usually use, like my main oh my goodness, what am I doing? This look crazy. I can always like conceal that or something, maybe. I don't know. I'm messing up with this brow so much. This one came out decent. This one look a hot mess. Camera literally cost about $800-ish. Somewhere around there, more or less, right? Because I can't remember how much I paid for it. Instead of paying hundreds of dollars to replace an $800-ish camera, it's like I'm better off just getting a new camera. Please leave suggestions for a new great filming camera that's great for, like, you know, the type of videos that I do, my sit down videos like this. Something that brings me really great quality. I don't want to have to replace it again. I don't want it to be something that'll mess up. I like Nikons. My main camera that's messed up right now is a Nikon. I'm a Nikon kind of girl, but if you know some good Canons, I'm open to that. This all over my lid, and then what I do is use my finger, go into my little friend over here, right? And I put her like in the middle, spread her around a little bit. Yes, 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 let's become friends. We are best friends. This is my beat your face quick scheme. It's a tongue twister. Try saying that 3 times. I refuse to try. And then after that, I'm gonna go into my other little friend over here. This one, girl, I use this. Honey, I use this as a highlighter all the time. This is like my secret weapon. Like, she is amazing. So amazing. Reach for this color as a highlighter over over the actual highlighters that I actually own. I'm like a creature, what is it called? A creature of habit or whatever. I'm gonna go into this blue thing that I always use as my, ooh, dropped out of my hand. This is the Urban Decay Basquiat palette. I'm going into my little blue friend over here for my liner. Don't know why I still use this as a liner. It's literally just a habit at this point. It's not like, oh, this is the best thing in the, no, it's just I'm used to it, so I'm doing it. This has been my go-to foundation for a while now, literally since the day since I tried this. I did a video on it, you can check it out, I'll put it down below. But since I tried this has been my go-to foundation, so why change it up? And it lasts, it doesn't get shiny as quick because I use a mattifying primer, which is the Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. So it lasts longer, whatever. Bear with me, this is gonna turn out fine. She's gonna turn out snatched, okay? Get my, oh God, I need to get my, right now I'm filming from my vlogging camera, so hence why I don't, it's just good for vlog. The Sony a5100, it's literally only good for vlogging in my opinion. I don't think it's good for sit down videos or anything, but you know, this is like, I don't have much options since my main camera is whatever. So I'm going into this one over here for my brow bone. I'm telling you, this Wanted palette is the truth. Like if you want a palette that's like super easy to use for a beginner, like super easy peasy lemon squeezy, go for the Wanted palette by NARS. I've been using the ColourPop Deep Dark 190. Is it Deep Dark? Yeah, Deep Dark 190 as my concealer. It's because, you know, when I did the review for the ColourPop foundation, like I got stuck with all the foundations, so I'm just like, okay, well, you're gonna be concealer, you're gonna be foundation, and the other two are just gonna sit. Like, I don't know. Beauty blender. Oh, and by the way, the Too Faced Born This Way is the collab with Jackie. Is, you guys, most of you already knew, but I'm saying for those who don't know, we're gonna Laura Mercier. While this is sitting, cooking, baking, putting on my lashes. So I'm using the Huda Beauty lash glue. What I do is, I don't know why I put it on this way, but this is what I do. I put a little bit on my finger like this. And then this is the Ardell Double Whispers lashes. I have two tweezers that I use for my lashes. One is by Revlon and I got it from Ulta. And the other one, is Cheap and Cheerful. It's by ELF, and it's $1. I'm using my ELF one, my ELF one, because I'm not too sure where I put my Revlon one. So, yeah. I'm just letting it get tacky a little bit. Okay. The camera got overheated, so it died. So I continued on because I'm literally rushing right now. This is the Makeup Shayla ColourPop collaboration Perception palette. I know I'm always supporting some. I'm telling you, I love a collab situation. I love seeing all my black girls win. So, love it. So I'm gonna go into the, I don't know if this is IE or LE, whatever it's called. I'm gonna go into this color right over here, and I'm putting that like right by my lower lash line. And I can't use the mirror because my mirror came broken. Yep. And I just always forgot to reach out to ColourPop about sending me a new one. And now it's just too late because I've had it since it actually came out. All good in the hood. I don't really use this palette like that anyway, so whatever. But still, I'm trying to see if I look bright enough, man. Because when I start editing, it looks darker than this in my computer, but I'm doing my bottom lashes. Going into my usual Iman, and this is the BH Cosmetics It's My Wayyyy collab brushes. I always use this brush for my bronzer, by the way. It works all right, you know? It gets the job done. A little up top, just a boom boom. Happened when I was putting on mascara, but I'm gonna fix that once it dries up a bit. So this is the Smashbox Vlada. This is my absolute favorite pink highlighter. And it's just iridescent. It's amazing. It's literally perfection. And I put that on my cheeks with the e.l.f. blending brush. It's, oh my gosh, this is like so amazing. When I first tried it, I almost wanted to cry. I was so happy I finally found the perfect pink highlighter. Only took me forever to find this. And by the way, I didn't even know who Vlado was until I bought this collab. So I did a video on it. You can check that out too. I'll probably put that below if I remember. Going into the NARS Wanted palette, and I'm using the number 3 brush from the BH Cosmetics. It's my wayyyy collab brushes, and I'm going into that highlighter that I told you I love oh so much. Oh, it's so good. I think I put too much. And I'm putting that like right on top of that pink situation that I just put on. Phenomenal. How I can fix this little black little thing on my nose. And there we go. And I put a little bit of it on my for the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go for this. Yeah. Yep. That's it right there. Yep. Do you see that? Come on, God. Come on, God. I'm here for me. I'm here for me. I'm here for me. Okay, I'm here for me. Time to try something new. OMG. I bought these uncensored lipsticks when they first came out, but I was going through a not filming phase, so I never even got to like try them for you guys, and I just kept them. I never used them, but now you get my first impression. I'm gonna use both of them. I'm gonna use this on the outer, and I'm gonna put this on top just to make like a mauve look. Hopefully it turns out fine. Never tried this. Moment of truth. This is Unviel. A little swatch. Let's give the whole experience. This is how it looks against my skin tone. Love, love, love. I'm here for it. This is Unviel. It's supposed to be a nude for my skin tone, and I think she passed in that department because it does look like a nude on my skin tone. I'm here for it. Okay, now let's put Uncuffed on top. Can you tell? I only put it like up to here. I don't know if you could tell. Hopefully this doesn't backfire on me because I literally don't have time to take off the lip and put on a new one. Such a thin lipstick that it's hard for me to mix it, to blend it with my finger. So we already know her collection smudges, so I'm not even looking to see whether it smudges or not. I just want to see how it looks. It feels very light and airy. I don't know. It just feels very, like I like it, but a great dupe for it if you cannot afford Fenty. Let me show you what's a great dupe for this. I always do this lip combo, just not with Fenty. I usually do it with ColourPop Limbo. I'll put Limbo around my outer corner of my lip, and I would put Clueless on top. Both ColourPop, $6 each. This retails for, I can't even remember, yo. I bought this right when it came out, and that was a minute ago. Let me look it up. Not even gonna front like I know, because I don't. So I'm looking it up on my phone right now. $24. I paid $24 for this. Oh my gosh, it's expensive. Okay, so these retail for $24 each. If you can't afford these, you can definitely buy these from ColourPop for $6 each. This totals to $12. This totals to $48. You know, so you can always look good. There's no excuse not to look good. There's always something for your budget, I believe. Okay, that's it for today. I have a lot more videos coming. I've literally been filming. I just haven't been posting. So I'll be editing and posting my videos now more frequently. I'm shooting for every other day. So this one's coming out on Monday. That means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But I'm hoping I can do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I don't know. So maybe if I tell myself in my brain every day, then I can actually accomplish every other day. So I just want to be back to being consistent again. I feel like I'm depriving you of me, and I'm amazing, and you deserve me. So I want to give you me. Thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe, and also check out my videos right over here, somewhere over here. Thank you so very much. Bye.